Hello friends, Vince Burlapp here. Today we're spending some time at Bob's Big Boy restaurant in Burbank. This place has been serving burgers since 1936, and every Friday becomes a local mecca for car geeks and nerds, as well as a few wannabe macho older men and their old noisy and smelly V8 vintage cars. You can tell our rotund little friend Bob has been working hard to deserve that big boy moniker. This right here is the work of many, many years of gobbling hamburgers at an almost impossible pace. These two just added another extra layer of ultimate nerdiness to their lifestyle by decorating their otherwise cool 1990s Mitsubishi like a Christmas tree. It makes you wonder what their bedroom looks like, doesn't it? Here it is, a view of the event. Actually, a small night with not much to see this week. A disappointment of sorts. That crazy engine and hood can only mean one thing. A fourth-generation Corvette. The unloved years. The ones I actually like quite a bit for some reason. With that simple straight line across the whole car. But that's the one Corvette nerds love the most. The one from the 60s. And that number isn't lying. 427 cubic inches, which probably translates to about 8 miles a gallon. Hey, look, there's a cool 1983 Cadillac DeVille for sale. It looks okay at first, but that $25,000 asking price for a car worth about $10,000 is just plain wrong. And so is that ghastly paint job. Wow, that's pretty bad.
You got a problem?
That's right, buddy. I do have a problem. Here is a really cool Chevrolet Impala with 2 antennas, which will make you look and feel extra special. I guess that's how reliable they were back in the day. You needed 2 just in case. And here's a really nice old Datsun before it became Nissan. Imagine a whole car company changing its name today. And a nice original Mini Cooper. Good to see. Although you have to deal with the obnoxiously loud motorcycle guy right here. It seems there were more fumes, noise, and gas smell this week than usual, and a few more obnoxious humans as well. Oh well, there's always next Friday.